Hello, I keep hearing this animal. I think it's calling for its mama. I'm not sure. I'm trying to capture it on camera to see if anybody knows what type of animal this is. I keep hearing making this noise. Either it's a baby bird, I doubt it though, but I decided I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying in my tent. It's not that hot right now. It's going to be, now the temperature has changed to 86 with a heat index of 93 or 4 or something like that. But I've just been sitting around sleepy. I don't feel like I really got a very good night's sleep last night. I think I got somewhat, but it seemed like being on the ground was a better night's sleep. Everywhere I'm laying in my tent, the sun's hitting me in the eyes. I go at this end of the bed and it's hitting me in the eyes. I come at this end and it's hitting me in the eyes. So anyways, yeah, I'm sitting here in my bra and my undies. So that's why I'm trying not to show too much of a body, but it's a lot cooler. Every time I step out of my tent, I don't like to spray a lot of this off on my body, but every time I step out to pee, I'm getting bit behind my knees. I just got bit now on the other side. Oh, there it is. Listen. Right there. I tell you, it's very, very blessed to be in the nature and hear all these different animals and stuff. I don't know what that is. I heard it yesterday evening. There it is again. It's almost as if it's calling for its mama. I don't think it's a bird, because when I walked in here yesterday from being at Lowe's, I heard it. If anyone knows what that animal is, please comment down in my comment section, because I know I'm hearing birds. I hear them all day, but this here is, I heard it yesterday evening when I came back from Lowe's. That's the first time I had ever heard it, and now I'm hearing it again today. And it is, what time is it? I need to see what time it is, so, because it's just a little after 12, and it may have made the sound yesterday because I was gone fairly early, but yeah, it's 12:30 and I wasn't here, but it's as if it's calling for its mommy. Maybe its mommy's gone to find it food and it wants it to come back. I don't know what it is. Somebody let me know, but it sounds like a distress call for its mommy. It's what it sounds like, of whatever kind of animal it is. Maybe a baby deer. I don't know. I know there are deer back here, and I have seen deer back here on a few occasions. But as I was walking through here, the day I got in here, I noticed a lot of grass that was smashed down as if deer had made themselves little beds. And I know they're deer beds in the tall grass, weeds, shrubs, whatever you want to call all this stuff. Yeah. So it sounds like it might be a baby deer, but I'm not sure, but I bet it is. Anyways, guys, I won't get any videos uploaded unless I decide to walk out later on this evening over to Lowe's or somewhere, not Walmart. I don't feel like walking that far. Lowe's is actually closer to my camp, and upload these videos. I'm Tammy. Thank you for being with me. Everyone have a blessed day. I love you all. Bye.